This is a brand new 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, LED headlights, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a folding rear seat, a full-length floor console, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Oxmoor Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is conveniently located at 4520 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. Contact us to find out our financing specials or visit us at oxmoorchrysler.com. We have the largest selection of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles in the area. Call us today at 502-895-4520.